Hey all, welcome to SDV's Creations. Let's see how to make dalgona coffee. So first I've took a bowl. To that I'm adding 3 tablespoons of water. To this add 2 tablespoons of sugar. To this add 1 tablespoon of instant coffee powder. You can use any brand but make sure you're using instant coffee powder and give it all a good mix. If you're using spoon, it would nearly take you 10 minutes, and if you're using a fork it would nearly take you 15 minutes, and if you're using a whisk it would take you 5 to 6 minutes, and if you're using an electric beater it would take you nearly 3 minutes. Don't start to whisk it now because sugar is not dissolved completely. You can start to whisk it once it's something like this. Now using my whisk, I'm going to whisk it fast. For the first 3 minutes I'm going to use my whisk and later my electric beater. Whisk it fast. When you whisk it for nearly 20 seconds, you would notice many air bubbles forming. Look at it. Now whisk it very fast. And you will have to save a little bit of this mixture for later. I'm not telling about the whipped mixture, I'm telling about the mixture that we are whipping now. Whisk it nicely. Look at it, it has been nearly 25 seconds and I'll see you once I whisk it. And now look at it. How nice that is. Whisk it fast. This dalgona coffee would be a treat if you're keeping a party and you don't know what to do. Just make this dalgona coffee and everyone would enjoy this. As I told you, I'm taking nearly 2 tablespoons of this and dropping into the glass. This is just to decorate it and this is optional. If you want you can do that, but the reason why I'm doing this, it would look cute. Get it? And now keep it aside and once again start to whisk it. Whisk it fast. See how fast. Whisk it nicely. And now my electric beater will do its job. And look at it. It should look something like this. And this is perfectly like a whipped cream. Now I'm adding 2 tablespoons of this dalgona mixture to our glass. And I'm gonna spread it all over the glass. And this too is just for decorating that. And if you can skip it if you don't like. And yes, look at it how nice it's. To this add milk. Look at it. You can add this dalgona mixture according to your taste, and I've added half cup of milk and look at it, that's cute, nice. You can add the amount of milk you want and our dalgona coffee is ready. And now once again I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of this dalgona mixture because I love that its taste. You can add it according to your taste and just sprinkle some coffee powder and some sugar and your dalgona coffee is absolutely perfectly ready. So give this recipe a try and enjoy. And look at it, mix it, and yeah, look at it how nice it is. And now our dalgona coffee is ready. Enjoy! Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, share and subscribe.